Alafi, look here, Nana. Now I discuss fringe width, Nana. Now I discuss fringe width. Okay? What is the meaning of fringe width? Look here, Nana. Here, Nana, this is the source, Nana. What is the use of source in the chapter? To eliminate the light. Okay? This is the slit, Nana. This is the slit. Here, this is hole is there, this is hole is there. Two holes is there. The first hole is S1, the second hole is S2. Here, distance between two holes, simply distance between two slits is D. Once again I repeat, distance between two slits is small d. Small d means distance between two slits. This is the screen. What is the use of screen? Use of the screen to cut on the image. Here in the topic, capital D is distance between slit and screen. What is the capital D here? Distance between slit and screen. Look here. In the situation, source emit the light, Nana. Here S1, S2 acts as a secondary sources. Simply, here light emit, Nana. This light, this is the wave, Nana. Here. This is also wave, Nana. This is also wave. Look here, all of you. This is also wave, Nana. This is the first wave. This is the second wave. Both are superimposed at a point P on the screen. At a point P on the screen. Look here. Here, Nana, here, perpendicular line is drawn here, Nana. This is called path difference, Nana. What is the path difference definition? The difference between path difference between two waves. Simply, this wave 6 meter travel cheste. This wave 7 meter travel చేసింది. ఈ ఇండికేషన్ ఈజ్ 1 మీటర్. 1 ఇక్కడి నుంచి ఇక్కడికి 6 అంటే ఎక్సెస్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ద పాత్ డిఫరెన్స్. సపోజ్ దిస్ యాంగిల్ ఈజ్ థీటా. దిస్ యాంగిల్ ఈజ్ థీటా. ఇన్ ద సిచ్యువేషన్ అన్న హియర్ దిస్ ట్రయాంగిల్ కెన్ బి టేకెన్. దిస్ ఈజ్ నార్మల్ కాబట్టి n అనుకోండి. In the situation S1, S2, N, the triangle name. In the triangle, Nana, we take sin theta. What is the sin definition? Opposite by hypotenuse. According to triangle x by d. We know that what is the x value? D sin theta. Very important notice in the topic. This is the equation number 1. Okay. What is the path difference, Nana? What is the path difference? Path difference is d sin theta. In the situation, look here, Nana. This is the center of the two slits, Nana. Here one line is dotted line is joined. Here center of the screen, Nana. Center of the screen. Center of the screen to point P. The distance is y, Nana. The distance is y. Center of the screen to where the two waves superimpose, the distance is y. In the situation, look here, all of you. Here. This angle theta, this angle also theta. Because, look here. Here horizontal line drawn. This one parallel. x axis, y axis, y axis. X and y perpendicular. ఇది 38, ఇది 60 కదా, అంటే 90 minus theta. This ray perpendicular because this is the perpendicular line. ఇది 90 minus theta, ఇది theta. ఇది theta అంటే ఇది కూడా ఎంత theta. In the situation, according to this diagram, look here all of you. In this diagram theta is there. For example, angle is small, sin theta right as tan theta. This is applicable, the angle is less than 5 degrees. Angle is small, sin theta right as tan theta. This theta, opposite side is y, adjacent side is capital D. Look here. This is the formula for path difference in terms of y. In terms of y. First look at what is the meaning of fringe width. Look here all of you. What is the meaning of fringe width? అయిపోయింది కదా, ఇట్లా ఆపడదాం చెప్తా. Look here. This is the double slit. Double slit means 2 holes is there. This is the screen. On the screen at center bright fringe is formed. That is called central bright fringe. Center of the screen bright fringe is formed. Okay. In the situation, next fringe is dark. Next fringe is dark. Next fringe is bright. Next fringe is dark. In the situation, the distance between two adjacent, once again I repeat, the distance between two adjacent bright fringes is nothing but the fringe width. Alane the distance between two dark fringes is nothing but the fringe width. The adjacent dark bands మధ్య ఉన్న డిస్టెన్స్ ఏమంటారు? ఫ్రింజ్ విడ్త్. ఫ్రింజ్ విడ్త్ ఇండికేట్ the distance between two successive bright fringes or two successive dark fringes is nothing but the fringe width. Here slit width enta small d. This is what? Screen. In the situation, this is the center of the screen. For example, this is the point P. Look here. S1 నుంచి వచ్చిన వేవ్, S2 నుంచి వచ్చిన వేవ్, both the waves superimpose at a point P. O to P distance is y. In this situation, at O, central of the screen is bright fringe. For example, at the point P also first bright fringe form, I assume at P, I assume first bright fringe is formed. Okay, we know that bright fringe means constructive interference, that is bright band. In the bright band, path difference condition is n lambda. First bright fringe means n value 1, lambda, n lambda, path difference close. Right side, small d by capital D. Here y is హియర్ టు హియర్. బ్రైడ్ కి మధ్య డిస్టెన్స్ ఏదో అంటారు ఫ్రింజ్ విడ్త్. ఇన్ ద సిచ్యువేషన్ వై రైట్ యాజ్ బీటా. హియర్ బీటా ఈక్వల్ టు, what is the formula? Lambda d by small d. In the situation, beta is fringe width. Here lambda is wavelength of the light, capital D is distance between slits and screen, small d is distance between two slits. Small d is distance between two slits. Capital D is distance between slit and screen. Distance between slit and screen. What is the lambda? Wavelength of the light. What is the beta? Fringe width. Fringe width means the distance between successive bright fringes or successive dark fringes. This is the fringe width concept, Nana. Very important, Nana. Look here.